Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to make a bookmark folder in Google Chrome. First, go to your web browser. Then click on Menu on your top right corner. Then go to Bookmarks. After that, click on Bookmark Manager. Here you can add all these apps in your bookmark folder. Click on Other Bookmarks. As you can see, the list is empty. Again, go to the Bookmarks bar. Click on these three dots on the top right corner. Click on Add New Folder. Or you can also add a new bookmark. Type the name of your folder. Click on Save to go next. After that, click on the folder which you have just created. It says to add a bookmark. Click the bookmark button next to the address bar. Go to the Bookmarks bar. Now drag and drop the social apps that you want to add in your bookmark. Drag the apps and drop them to the folder which you have created. Repeat the same process for all the apps that you want to add in your folder. Once you're done, go to your folder and you'll find all of your bookmarks here. After that, open a new tab. You'll find your bookmark folder here. Click on it and open whatever site you want to visit. So this is how you can make a bookmark folder in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.